SereneLife SLPAC8 Portable Air Conditioner Compact Home AC Cooling Unit with built-in dehumidifier and fan modes, quiet operation, includes window mount kit, 8000 BTUs, white. Power source corded electric. Brand SereneLife. Model name Portable Air Conditioner. Special feature portable, remote control. Color white. Item Dimensions LxWxH 14.6 by 13.8 by 27.2 inches. Item weight 46.3 pounds. Control method remote. Voltage 120. Wattage 900. About this item. Handy and portable, the SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner System features a lightweight, handy, sleek body design intended to be used in the bedroom, living room or garage at home or office. It features rolling wheels for easy portability. 3 operating modes. The compact floor AC indoor cooler conditioning unit features a simple electric plug-in operation and has 3 modes: cooling, dehumidifier and fan. Also features automatic swing mode W moving wind vent for maximum air circulation. Built-in dehumidifier, you don't only get the cooling effect of the portable AC but also helps reduce humidity levels, a huge financial and space saving. Remote control. Features a digital touch button control panel which includes the power, mode, timer, temperature and fan speed settings. Other functions such as unit selector, degrees Celsius, degrees F, sleep key can be adjusted using the included remote control. 8000 BTUs cooling power, with 900 watts rated power and 8000 BTUs, ASHRAE 4000 BTUs, SACC, cooling power. The cold air can cover a room of up to 215 plus square foot. Airflow is rated at 290 mAh, moisture removal dehumidifier at 1.2 liters. W an operating noise level of only 55 to 57 decibels. SereneLife